get your OneUp Trader account connected to NinjaTrader, go to ninjatrader.com, click over here on Get Started. If you already have an account with NinjaTrader, click on Login here and log in using those credentials. Note that these credentials are not the same as the ones you received in your welcome email for OneUp Trader. If you do not have an account for NinjaTrader, you will need to create a NinjaTrader username and password. In order to do this, you enter your email address first and then click Sign Up. Confirm your email address and this will take you to a new page where you can create a username and password. Once you've created the username and password, select I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and create the user. A new tab will open which will state that you can get started with NinjaTrader. In this case, since you're going to be using NinjaTrader through OneUp Trader, we want to select additional options at the bottom. This is because you already have credentials that will allow you to get started with NinjaTrader and trade through their platform. Simply download the most recent release of NinjaTrader and it will ask you to place it inside of your computer. Click on Run and agree to all the terms and conditions and the following information that is required to install the program on your computer. Then click Finish at the end of the installation wizard. From here, what we need to do is sign in to RTrader Pro. You simply put your user ID and password in that you received in your welcome email. System must be set to rhythmic paper trading and then the gateway can be set to Chicago area. Be sure to select Allow plugins as well so that the words are highlighted in yellow. This will allow you to connect to NinjaTrader and third-party platforms without you being disconnected once you log into Rhythmic. Once you have successfully logged in to RTrader Pro, you can then minimize the application and open up NinjaTrader. Insert your username and your password. You must enter the username and password for your NinjaTrader account and not your Rhythmic credentials from OneUp Trader. You then should see the NinjaTrader control panel open up. From here, we are simply going to connect so that we can receive the live streaming data into NinjaTrader. Click on Tools, then Options, and ensure that multi-provider is checked. Okay. Navigate towards Tools and double check that Global Simulation Mode is unchecked. If Global Simulation Mode is checked, it means that you will only be able to trade on a Sim 101 account in NinjaTrader, which means that Rhythmic will not record your trades and they will not count towards your evaluation. So make sure that Global Simulation Mode is unchecked. Navigate towards Connections, then Configure. Look for the connections as My Rhythmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage. You can change the connection name to OneUp Trader. Connect on startup can be checked. It just means that once you start NinjaTrader, it will automatically connect to Rhythmic and your OneUp Trader evaluation account. Ensure that plugin mode is checked. For system, we're looking for Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. Over here, be sure to enter the username and password you received in your welcome email from OneUp Trader. This is the same username and password you used to log into Rhythmic Trader. Now hit Apply and OK. We can now connect to the OneUp Trader evaluation account. So navigate to Connections, select OneUp Trader, and then wait for the yellow light to turn green. This means you're connected and you're ready to go.